Hola world, and welcome back to South Africa.
Whoa, hey, nope. Go. No. My foods.
Where I am slowly working my way up the coast. Hitchhiking to a certain extent, just looking for rides from people that are going in that same direction.
Good morning, world. I hitched a ride with some Germans moving up along the coast.
We are bitter losers, snarling through our smiles. We're the lost boys in the supermarket aisle.
Stay counting.
We're Christmas dogs dumped by the side of the road. Confused, we will run for miles. We are road rage, we are stone age, we are wild.
And so I got a ride out of the farm, but it wasn't very far, just to Nature's Valley, but a really great place. I stayed the first night in my tent on the beach and froze. It was so cold. But the sky out here it's something special. And so I hung out, and even as cold as it was, outside the tent that night and started shooting photos. Then basically we just hung out at the beach all day.
We are busted light bulbs in a backstreet neon sign. We're the shaking gun in a service station line. We'll drink though we're drunk, we'll sink though we've sunk. We're fucked but we'll say that we're fine. We are rampage, missing back pages in our spine.
Which was nice, but I didn't want to sleep on the beach in the freezing cold again. So I got Leonard, the guy who's renting the truck, to give me a ride 12K up to a hostel, which I thought would be kind of a hub, you know, it'd be easier to get from here to a bus to anywhere. And then I get here and it is super remote. It's just in the jungle. It's wild.
We long for journeys and the roadside. We long for starlight and the low tide. Yeah, we long for fairy tales and firesides.
It's super cool. I'm so glad that I got a chance to stay here. It was so much warmer up in the trees.
We are coffee house cynics, too righteous, too rigid to believe. Disappointed romantics, scraping the hearts from our sleeves. We're the toothless drunk, we're the aging punk. Yeah, we are Adam, we're the apple and we're Eve. We are beggars with shiny pennies on our knees.
But now I am gonna hike out of here and then out to the closest store, which is 2K away, and try and get some groceries. And I guess I need to do that before sunset. So I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Long carnivals and fairground rides. Oh, we long for journeys and the roadside. Oh, we long for fairy tales